Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the previous class, we have solved the problems on the second order derivative or successive differentiation. Let us continue the same problems on second order derivative. Let us take the first problem. X square. Find the second order derivative x square sine 2x. Okay. So the given function is y is equal to x square sine 2x. Then apply the formula product rule. Dy by dx is equal to first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. So dy by dx is equal to x square as it is. Sine differentiation is cos 2x, again differentiation of 2x plus sine 2x differentiation of x square. X square differentiation is 2x. Then dy by dx is equal to x square cos 2x, 2 constant x differentiation 1 sine 2x into 2x. Okay. So then we can write dy by dx is equal to 2 into x square cos 2x plus 2 then sine 2x into 2x. Okay. Then again second order differentiation d square y by dx square is equal to 2 is a constant. So this is the two functions. First function I am applying directly product rule. Cos differentiation is minus sine 2x. Then differentiation of 2x chain rule. Then plus cos 2x differentiation of x square is 2x. Then plus apply here product rule. First function as it is, differentiation of second function 2 is constant, x differentiation is 1 plus second function differentiation of first function differentiation of 2x, then multiply. If you multiply keep 2 as it is, x minus x square sine 2x, 2 is constant, x differentiation 1 cos 2x into 2x plus 2 sine 2x plus 2x cos 2x, then 2 constant x differentiation is 1. If you multiply here, 2 2s are 4, minus 4x square sine 2x, then plus cos 2x into 2x plus 2 sine 2x plus 2 2s are 4, 4x cos 2x. So this is the answer. Take on the next question. E to the power of x cos x. E to the power of x cos x. Next question. E to the power of x cos x. Y is equal to e to the power of x cos x. If you differentiate, apply product rule here. Dy by dx is equal to first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Then dy by dx is equal to minus e to the power of x sin x plus cos x e to the power of x. Then d square y by dx square is equal to, and apply here minus, keep outside first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function plus first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Then minus e to the power of x cos x minus sin x e to the power of x, then plus cos x e to the power of x minus e to the power of x sin x. Then if you can cancel this and this, then minus 2 sin x e to the power of x is an answer. Okay. Okay, let us take the parametric functions. Parametric functions, in that you should find the second order derivative. Okay. If x is equal to e to the power of t, y is equal to e to the power of 2t, find d square y by dx square. Find d square y by dx square. Okay, so there are two functions. So x is equal to e to the power of t, y is equal to e to the power of 2t. To differentiate x with respect to t, then e to the power of t only. Differentiation of y with respect to t, e to the power of 2t means we know the differentiation of e to the power of ax means e to the power of ax. Okay, then 2e to the power of 2t. So if you find dy by dx, let us find first dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 2e to the power of 2t by e to the power of t. Okay, so we got the first order differentiation. If you take to the denominator, we can write 2 into e to the power of 2t, t to the power of minus t. Then dy by dx is equal to 2 into e to the power of, so bases are same, 2t minus t. Then dy by dx is equal to 2 e to the power of t. Then if you second order differentiation, again if you differentiate x with respect to x, then 2 is constant to the power of t only. So this is the answer. Okay, take down the next one. X is equal to a cos square theta, y is equal to a sin square theta. Okay, so let us take the function x is equal to a cos square theta, then y is equal to a sin square theta. So if you differentiate x with respect to theta, then a is constant, cos square differentiation is 2 cos theta, then again differentiation of cos theta, then dx by d theta is equal to a 2a cos theta into minus sin theta. So again differentiation of y with respect to theta, a constant 2 sin theta chain rule, again differentiation of sin theta, again differentiation of y with respect to theta, 2a into sin theta is equal to cos theta. Find dy by dx. Let us find a dy by dx. 2a sin theta into cos theta by minus 2a sin theta into cos theta. So you can cancel this one, this one, this one, this one. dy by dx is equal to minus 1. If your second order differentiation means constant one is means 0. So this is the answer. Okay, let us take the next problem. if y is equal to tan inverse x, show that 1 plus x square d square y by dx square plus 2x into dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, so let us take y is equal to tan inverse x. Y is equal to tan inverse x. To differentiate, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So this is the differentiation of tan inverse x. If you differentiate second order differentiation, d square y by dx square is equal to, you know the differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So then 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. Again differentiation of 1 plus x square, chain rule. Then d square y by dx square is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into 1 differentiation is 0, x square differentiation is 2x. Then d square y by dx square can be is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Here whole square is there, so we can write 1 plus x square 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus x square into 2x. Okay, then so shift this one to the numerator, 1 plus x square into d square y by dx square is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square into 2x. So here dy by dx means 1 by 1 plus 1 x square is there. So let us substitute here, d square y by dx square is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square can be written as dy by dx into 2x. So shift to the right, then 1 plus x square into d square y by dx square plus 2x into dy by dx is equal to 0. So this is the answer. Okay, let us take the next problem. If y is equal to sine inverse x, show that 1 minus x square y2 is equal to xy1. Okay, so let us take y is equal to sine inverse x. So y1 is equal to sine inverse x differentiation is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Again differentiate second order differentiation here. So let us assume this is 1 by x means 1 minus 1 by x square minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square whole square. Again chain rule, 1 minus x square differentiation. So y2 is equal to square root get cancelled minus 1 by 1 minus x square into differentiation of root of 1 minus x square means 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square. Again differentiation of 1 minus x square. Then if you cross multiply 1 minus x square into y2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square. 1 differentiation is 0, x square differentiation is 2x. Then 1 minus x square y2 is equal to minus into minus plus 2x by 2 into 2x by 2 into 1 root of 1 minus x square. You can cancel this one. If you cancel this one, so 1 minus x square into y2 is equal to x into 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So here y1 means 1 by square root of 1 minus x square is there. Let us substitute here 1 minus x square into y2 is equal to x into y1. So this is the answer. Okay, take down assignment questions. Find d square y by dx square if x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta. Second one, x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. Third one, y is equal to e to the power of ax log x. Fourth one, y is equal to cos 4x cos 2x. Next one, x is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin 2t. Next one, y is equal to x square sin 3x. Seventh one, y is equal to sin inverse t, x is equal to sin inverse t, y is equal to cos inverse t. Next one, x is equal to a cos cube t, y is equal to a sin cube t. The next one, x is equal to log of secant theta, y is equal to tan square theta. And next one, log of tan theta, tan t, y is equal to secant square t. So these are the 10 questions as assignment.